And Joseph also went up from Galilee, from the town of Nazareth to Judea, to the town of David, which is called Bethlehem, because he was of the house of line of David. The Messiah of Israel had to be born in Bethlehem. Mao na ang gipanagna sa mga propeta. According to Micah chapter 5 verse 2, ingon siya, "But you, Bethlehem, Ephrata, though you are little among the towns of Judea, yet out of you will come forth to me the one who is to be ruler in Israel. His going forth are from old and from everlasting." Sumana ang gipanagna sa Micah, Kapitulo 5, versikulo 2. Mana nga dili aksidente nga ang emperador nagpatawag og registration sa mga tao. Aron matuman kining gipanagna sa Biblia. Matod pa dinhi, God used the decree of the Roman emperor to bring Joseph and Mary to Bethlehem, where Jesus was born. God can use all the circumstances of life to accomplish His purposes.